Hi friends, greetings from huringa.co.in. Today we discuss about Meghmani Organics. This is a very beautiful stock. Which has been rising nowadays, and people want to know whether this is the right time to invest in stock market or in Meghmani Organics or not. As a part of, if you look at the organic industry nowadays, it has been increasing. There are so many other companies which are making a lot of money and which has given huge returns in 1700 percentages in the past 5 years to the investors. Now Meghmani Organics is also part of this particular domain. So today we will discuss actually whether this is the right time to invest in Meghmani Organics or not. Before going to decide whether it is the right time or not, first we will check what the popular uh, industry analysts are saying. Actually, what is the popular public opinion? Okay. So first we'll go to the money control, where we can see the centimeter mega money organic. It is they're saying 80%, 85% buy, and 14% sell. So it's like more tilted towards buying and holding mega money organic. Okay, when it comes to economic times, they're saying that 80% on a community outlook on macroeconomics is like moderately bullish. Okay, okay. Now we go to the technical analysis for Meghmani Organa. We will see actually how this is. The technical analysis is. What the technical analysis indicates for Meghmani Organics. Okay, I already opened Meghmani Organics in Zeroda, and this is the technical indicators that I've been using. First, I will let you know actually what are the indicators that I'm deploying in this map. The first one is RSI, which is a very popular one, and second one is MACD, momentum, and for your information, the parameters of all these indicators that I've been using have been tweaked a little bit so that it suits my pace of trading. Okay, and then the fourth one is the zigzag trading, zigzag this thing indicator. Fifth one is we have the super trend, which you can see these arrows. No, this is the super trend indicator, and sixth one is moving averages. Okay, now where is this make money? Where exactly we need to focus on? Right now, I opened the day chart. Okay, we have this day chart, week chart, month chart, hour chart, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute, and all this stuff. Okay, if you are doing day trading, then you have to go by 3 minute or 1 minute or 5 minute. Okay, based upon the speed of the pace of your trading. If you are a swing trader kind of thing, then the better if you go. Normally swing traders go by 1 day chart, and if you're a high value investor, a long term investor, then you go by monthly chart. So whatever, based upon the way you trade, whichever trade, based upon the pace of the trade, the holding capacity of your the thing trading, you need to identify actually what chart is best suitable for you. Normally, swing traders they go by the 1 day chart, and but when they are going to invest in a particular stock, then they go to the hour chart and then see look at the trend, and at the same time look at the trend of the parameters like RSI, MACD, momentum, how they are doing. Right now, if at all you are planning to invest, then the investors make sure that the RSI will touch the base. That means this 20 thing, and here if you invest, then the next moment, if it rises, then it will give you initial, immediate profits initially. Even the trend of the MACD is a very important one. Always make sure that the black line is on top of the red line, and the momentum, the way the how the momentum is going on. So the momentum is always be based. Be above zero. Okay, if it is above zero, if it is going, if it is crossing zero and going beyond that, uh, then the stock price will increase. So these are all the basic parameters that you need to understand. Now, going to the uh, one day chart. So Meghmani Organics right now until today, and today is what 10th of October. Until today, the graph, the trend has been rising. Okay, you can see the the black line, the black line here. Okay, the trend has been rising. Okay, now you can see the super trend also. The super trend is in green color. I mean the green color arrow, which indicates the share price will rise. Now there is a trend reversal here. So though the super trend indicates that there is a possibility that the stock price may rise, but the peak period has been already crossed. The peak is this one. If you see the price there, it is coming around 102.59. Okay, the peak period has been crossed. Now, even here, instead of this a red color candle, even if there is a green color candle, the height of this candle may not reach, I mean, may not cross this peak. Sometimes it happens that once you, I mean, even after crossing the peak, if the momentum is strong, then the stock may push up and making a new peak. Okay, that means it goes, the price will go beyond 102. That means it may go up to 105, 110, like that. But very rarely it happens, but it happens. Such kind of things are there, are very common in stock market. So you have to understand. I mean, based on the popularity of the stock, based on the situation. I mean, the external factors, the fundamental analysis. So many factors will come into play, which force the stock uh, may push up, may push and go beyond the peak, this thing, and then making a new peak. So, but here today, the peak has been crossed, and the stock is going down in price. So this indicates that the trend reversal has happened, and maybe the price of the stock may go down. And if at all, if someone wants to short, then this is the right time. So it may. So how I mean, what new price, what low level it may reach? If that is the question, then the answer is, if you see the trend, overall trend, you see here, it started in where, in 2017 started. Okay, if you take the trend from January 2017, it has started from here. It has started from 36 rupees, 36 rupees 78 price, 78 price. Okay, now all these months up to October. By October, it how many times? Nearly 2.5 times it has increased. 2.5 times, 2.5 plus times it has been increased, and now it reached 97, 90. I mean, it is 101 actually. It touched the peak of 101. Okay, that means the trend has been increasing, and it is every time it is making a new low, which is higher than the previous low. That means this time also, if this trend keeps on going, then the stock may not go down that much low, and within next few days, maybe 2 3 days, the stock may again start going up. So what I suggest is, like, it is not. I mean, you cannot short the stock for a long period of time, but it is something like, you can keep the stock. I mean, you keep the stock under observation, and maximum for one day. I mean, maybe tomorrow you can short it because the trend may go down, but within the next 2 days, price of the stock may, I mean, again increase, and the trend reversal again happens, making the stock push up. That's what I mean. As per my technical analysis, this is what I think. Okay, so if you like this thing, if you like this explanation, the technical analysis part and all the stuff, so please like this video and subscribe to it. Thank you.